So guys, I am in desktop right now. I am talking about how you can add image in your web page content. So watch this video till end. Welcome guys, here I am in Notepad with syntax of HTML. So before you start, you have to add your own title. Just I am adding right now. This is my title of HTML page, that is my name, obviously Jayesh. And after the head, I'm gonna just closing the head tag that I previously mentioned, that each and every tag has their close tag. So I'm gonna just adding the body tag here. After the body tag, I am adding h1 tag for heading that I previously mentioned in my previous video. So actually watch this video before you watching this video. So guys, this is our heading, that is how to add image in HTML. So I'm gonna just close this actually HTML web page. I'm gonna just closing the tag, and after the closing tag I am stretching little bit more and heading towards to applying the images. For that I am using img tag here. So here, for understanding each and every part, I'm gonna just minimize this and going towards the image that are located in our local disk. So I'm gonna just finding the picture where is located at. So I'm gonna click here. So guys, finally I got this image. So remember one thing, our picture is in D drive. So I'm gonna using img tag and source attribute, that is src. So this is our image tag, and after that you have to verify that where is your file located. For that you have to use equal to sign here and add in the location. As you can see guys, I already add image tag and source tag attribute here, and after that I am using D drive for my picture. For I just mentioned here D drive, and after the D drive I will add a subfolder, that you can see my picture is in sample photo. So I am wrote here for the image located at for sample picture. As you can see, I already discussed about how we can add image in our web page content. So this is the our sample photo subfolder. In subfolder our image is located. So that's it, and after that you have to wrote here your image name, that is Jayesh. So this is my name here, and after that you have to go properties and check whether format of our images. As you can see, my format is JPEG. So I'm gonna copy this and paste it below our web page content. So for that I am using dot here. So dot here, and after the dot I am gonna paste it here. 1 minute. This is our JPEG format, and after that we have to close this quotation with a quotation mark, and then we'll use slash for closing the tag, and after that you have to use greater than sign here. For that I am using this sign here, and after this you have to close your body tag here. For that I am using closing body tag here. So this is our close body tag, and after that I am using HTML close tag here, as I already mentioned in my previous video. So this is our content, and after this you have to click on file and click to save, and after you heading toward this interface, and in this file you have to add your own name here and select all files and save. So this already saved, and just clicked on file and open in default browser. So I'm gonna click this up, and as you can see our image is not very fine here. I did some mistakes. Let's check with where is the mistake done. So our web page content is correct. Let me check where is mistake done. Finally I got the mistake. Here is, I put two dot instead of one. So I'm gonna clear this, and here is your image. And this is why I'm telling each and every part you have to cross check your content uh, from top to bottom. That is really helpful for you guys. And as you can see our image is more pixels in the image. The big image is pasted here, and I'm gonna add in little bit more small image. For that I'm using bittad here and add in 200 pixel of my image and save it in our browser and opening and just refreshing. As you can see our picture is a little bit small, and this is you can use in your web page content for adding image size. So that's it for today guys. I'm gonna add in more videos related HTML, so subscribe to this channel. So bye.